Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix missing filters on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you're looking for a specific filter to use on TikTok but you can't find it, here, let's say for example, I'm looking for zoom face. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon at the very bottom. And after that, I'm going to tap on effects at the bottom left corner. And here, different effects will appear. Here, you can scroll through these filters or effects and choose the one that you like. Now, to search for a specific filter, then tap on the search icon. And let's say, for example, I want the face zoom. Now hit search. And here all the face zoom filter will appear. Now if the filter I'm looking for is not here, then the first thing we're going to do to fix that problem is to go out from here and tap on settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Here, choose the second option, manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for TikTok. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache. Now confirm. And now go back to TikTok and see if the filter you're looking for is there or not. Now, if it's not there, here we're gonna tap on the X icon at the top left corner. Go back from here and then tap on the search icon at the top right corner. And we're gonna type in face zoom here. Face zoom. Hit search. And here we're gonna tap on videos. So here we're gonna use the filter from somebody else's video. Here I'm gonna choose this one, for example. And as you see here, here's the filter I'm looking for. Now to use it on your videos, then you can just tap on it. And then tap on use this effect at the very bottom. And after that, you can record your video. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.